In this video, we're going to teach you how to install your Explosion Sled. First, grab a runner, a link chain, and a link end cap. Once these are rested on the runner, you're then going to grab a link cap to secure everything together. Once everything is tightened, you're then going to move to the front of the runner and you're going to do the same process. Grab the link chain, the link end cap, but this time you're going to want to grab the weight horn cap and place it on top to secure everything together. You're then going to grab another link chain and rest it onto the second runner, and then you'll grab a link cap and attach these together. In the middle of the link chain, you're going to want to place a weight horn cap to add weight to the sled. Once everything is tightened and fastened down, you then can move on and complete the rest of the sled. It's all the same steps, so if you need to go back in the video and rewatch some of that, feel free to do so. Lastly, you're going to want to attach the pad to the sled. It's a tight squeeze, so feel free to just really push on it and pull down on it. But once it's nice and snug, you can then clip it in together and you can now start using your sled.